we at Shiv Rahasya had launched a new program called Bal Yoga Sadhana. Bal Yoga Sadhana is nothing but Bal, the name itself denotes children. Yoga is nothing but unification. Sadhana is nothing but, again, a practice. Here we have merged ancient science with the modern science, where we have developed a module in which we incorporated the basic techniques of ancient science, how to activate the faculties within. As you are aware, child life is a life where most of our organs develop. Again, child life is the life where you really learn. In a true sense, the child life is a learning phase, and that is where only you learn and the rest of the life will not be. As in the growing age, the thymus gland is a particular gland. It grows until teen age, adolescence. So in particular, thymus gland secretes T cells, which are lymphocytes. In turn, they get deposited, otherwise they are stored in the spleen. They are the resistance, they are the immune power, are a storehouse, otherwise a powerhouse of the whole body. Children undergo immense physical, mental, psychological and intellectual changes during adolescence. Hormonal changes in the body about the erratic attitudinal and behavioral tendencies among the inability to cope with these changes. Sometimes they engage in undesirable acts that have the negative implications for the personal growth and the development of their overall personalities. The concept of yoga for kids is a humble attempt to address spiritual, emotional and intellectual needs for such children. Objective of yoga for kids. Yoga for kids aims at improving the quality of childhood by making it a well-balanced and enabling children to explore themselves by creativity. It also helps them manage stress, improves their motor skills and acts on the endocrine system. It further prepares for a social-oriented life in which they love to live in harmony, control their actions, manage their personal affairs better and work with a team spirit. Wonder Brain Yoga. Wonder Brain Yoga defines a wondrous component in a brain yoga. What is this wondrous component in a brain yoga? Let me define this way. We have merged ancient wisdom with a modern science to develop a new module called Wonder Brain Yoga. For the first time, is being put across to the children at BHEL Hyderabad. This module has a couple of freestyle exercises where we teach about systemic practice of postures, breathing exercises, partner and group exercises, guided relaxation and meditation. This schedule begins with the freestyle exercise Omkara recitation for some time, 3 minutes to 5 minutes, and followed by a freestyle exercises where they have still jogging, clapping exercises, neck exercises, leg raise and spine exercises where they would warm up with this. The children build up stamina and endurance by incorporating this kind of exercises. The breathing exercise. As I have said to you earlier, breathing, air is a vital component in our body. What is the air? Here we teach the techniques how to breathe in and how to breathe out. The breathing in should be complete and the breathe out should become completely. The duration should be of the same. Breathing exercise, inhalation and exhalation. We emphasize on inhalation and exhalation and alternate nose breathing. Alternate nose breathing is where we take air from the left nostril, release it to the right. Again, we tend to do breathe in through the right nostril and release it to the left. This becomes a cycle where we try to balance the energies of right and left of brain. We balance the energies as I've been talking about Surya Nadi and Chandra Nadi. So sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. When you balance air with the both of your nostrils, the energy gets stable. From there where you can look ahead. Until unless you balance both of your energies, you will not be able to look ahead. As I have been saying you, evidence of life, evidence of growth is life. Otherwise, in a word, growth is the evidence of life. Until unless you go to the next level, as you are admitted, per se, for instance, as you have been admitted in a class 1. As you approach to the next year, as you advance, year advances, you are promoted to the next year. If at all you don't pass out, go for the next level, that's second class, and you are entitled that you have been failed. When you are stuck up with, then that is a failure. That is not the evidence of life. It means that you are no more over there. Always there should be a growth in your life. That is the evidence of life.